So this one, it says, what is the asymptote and the y-intercept of the function below? Well, right off the bat, the y-intercept occurs where it crosses the y-axis. So that's 0, 8. Okay. Where x equals 0 and y equals 8. Now, I could tell you that the asymptote as you approach positive infinity is going to be 2 because of this portion of the function right here. If I say 6 times 0.5 raised to the x, this is the same as 1/2, right? So when x equals 1, I'm going to have 6 times 1/2, which is equal to 6. And then we add 2 to it, of course, right? But if I say 1/2 squared, then that becomes 6 times 1/4, or 1/4 divided by 6, right? Which would be 6 over 4. But if I do like 1/2 times to the third, then it's like 6 over 8, which reduces down to 3/4. And this one will reduce down to 3/2. So what happens is this first term starts to, if I say 6 to the 1/2 as x approaches infinity, this starts to go to 0. And so what you'll see here quickly is, and we're tacking on this plus 2 to every one of these terms. So on the first one, when x equals 0, you have 6 plus 2, which is 8. And then right here, it drops down to 5 and eventually drops down to 2. So what I'm looking for, well, first of all, I know that it's never going to cross 2. So my asymptote occurs when y equals 2. It's never going to cross that thing. And then my y-intercept is just 0, 8. And that's it. That's the answer.